Friends, today we will watch some great new video. In the first experiment, we will put the iPad under the spinning wheel. Let's see what happened to the iPad. First, we started the car. I slowly put the wheels of the car closer to the iPad. There is a lot of pressure on the iPad display. The iPad display exploded at the pressure of the wheel. Slowly, smoke started coming out of the iPad display. After a while, the iPad became useless from the middle. The display glass melted away with the solvent, but the iPad became completely useless. What happens if iPhone 11 Pro is left inside a hot Coca-Cola? First, I put a pan on the stove and filled it with Coca-Cola.
2, 1, let's see. Oh.
Then I left the iPhone inside the heated Coca-Cola for a while. But surprisingly, the iPhone 11 Pro is still active. What happens if a dynamite fuse is attached to an iPhone and it catches fire? First, we got the iPhone wide wheel dynamite. A large explosion occurred immediately after the fire at dynamite. As a result of the explosion, the middle of the display of the iPhone turned black. Now Apple iPhone SE 1000 feet drone test. I attached the iPhone to the drone and carried it up to 1000 feet. This time I let the iPhone survive from 1000 feet. The back of the iPhone is completely damaged, but the front is fine. Let's see what happens if an iPhone is left on shutter blades. In a short time, the whole iPhone is shattered. Let's see what happened to the Nokia phone in front of an electric blade. Nokia phone becomes two pieces. Let's install string firecrackers with gum tape on the Nokia phone. Let's see what happens. Only the backside gets a little back in the explosion.